How's it going, everyone? I've seen requests for commentary, so let's give it a try. Why not? Got a 2025 C2, as you probably can tell. Activity bus, this one. So, yeah. Although I'm pretty sure this one's still limited to 60, so that's just a fun fact. You don't get anything different. Change the radio over to that so we don't have to hear anything from them. I'll wait for this car. It's not warm enough yet for me to want to really get on it. There we go. What, these new buses definitely do shift a lot nicer than the older ones. I mean, it makes sense, but shoot, if those could be this nice. Although personally, if I were driving buses for transportation, I'd take anything with an engine brake or without. Engine brake's just a preference of mine, but tell you what, some drivers don't use the engine brakes just because they don't like the noise it makes or something like that. I don't understand that. I love it. Oh, come on. There we go. Well, that just made it worse now, didn't it? Oh well. I just hosed the engine bay out, that's why the windshield's wet. There's probably going to be portions of this video where I'm just quiet like I kind of am right now. I've never done anything like this before, and to prevent myself from constantly stuttering over my own words, I'm just going to kind of lay back when I don't know what I want to talk about, so I'm open to any suggestions, but yeah. I'm sure I'll have plenty in the Bluebirds. Those pieces of crap. There's tons of stuff to rant on about in there. What in the heck are we doing here? Alright then, just wanted to use the whole lane, I guess. Whole lane and then some. God. Sir, I think your truck is a little bit dirty. Alright, I'll be quiet here. Here's a good full throttle merge. And some traffic. Awesome. Pretty gloomy out today, same as yesterday, just clouds, but temperature's been nice. I mean, shoot, it's 60 degrees outside right now. I know that these C2s are just an extended Freightliner M2 chassis, so there's already a lot of refinement to them and driving experience, but these things are just cruisers, honestly. They just eat miles up. Ride's not that bad, although this is a cloth seat as opposed to one of the leather ones in the route buses. So it's a little more cushiony, and then of course the air seat. I mean, I could totally see myself doing a couple-hour drive in this. With kids in the back, maybe a little different, but that's why I prefer to work on these, not drive them. Drive them in terms of taking kids to and from school, not whatever else. That cart's pretty far from its home. road. Well, that doesn't stop them. They're always on the road here. Busy place that is. Although it is kind of one of the only of its type around here, so. What are we doing here? I don't know if he's just parked there, but I mean, he's got his turn signal on, not the hazard, so. Oh well. Rattling. Might be something up in the camera box. There's lots of rattles in here, but that's what makes a school bus a school bus. Blur that. Not really sure what to do with my hand there. There's another thing these modern buses do better. I let off the throttle a little bit there as the RPM started coming up in this gear, and it's still held a gear because it saw that I was going to get back on it. Just little things like that that are nice. Both for driving and longevity, because you're not sitting there shifting up and down. There's one thing I wish these buses had, was a little more control over the engine brake would be nice. At least in the Ram trucks you have auto and on, and then auto kicks it on when you have your foot on the brake enough to trigger the brake lights, or like going down the hill, say you're coasting at 46 miles an hour, it'll keep you at that to the best of its ability, which is nice. This you have full on or nothing, which is kind of annoying. Even if we didn't get control over how much the engine brake is working, it'd be nice to have control over the transmission. So like keeping speed down a small hill, you're not constantly on and off the throttle and the transmission's not going up and down in gears. Just little things, but I'm sure it'd probably help long term. full throttle. A little bit of tire noise. You know, I get those Bluebirds are completely built from scratch, but I mean, they really do leave a lot to be desired in the handling department. I mean, even back there you could see I was just pointing the wheel where I wanted to go. I wasn't having to make a bunch of unnecessary movements. Well, I guess it's raining now. Look at that. Here's a good example of where having more control over that engine brake would be nice. Let's go to the top. Alright, I'm gonna let it sit and idle for a minute or so, just let turbo cool down, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, so peace out.